Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Intel. We previously shared an overview on our website on Wednesday, December 13, 2023, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate with a score of 3.39. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 16.86% since we first recommended Intel as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.6% since it was listed as a buy candidate. This stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 28.01% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 8.73% to 33.72%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 46.04% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 12.76% to 49.13%. This suggests a price range of $50.26 to $66.47 after 1 year. Our latest Intel stock update brings exciting news. Intel has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, December 13, 2023, the Intel stock price rose by 1.2%. It went from $44.04 to $44.57. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $43.33 and a high of $44.72, experiencing a 3.21% fluctuation. Interestingly, the stock has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of -0.82% over that period. However, there's a positive sign as volume increased along with the price, indicating potential growth. In fact, a total of 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. The total trading volume for Intel amounted to 35 million shares, worth around $1.54 billion. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past year. The highest price it reached was $45.34, while the lowest was $24.73. Currently, the price is 1.7% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $0.770. Moreover, it's 35.68% below the all-time high, which was observed on January 24, 2020, and amounted to $69.29. Analyst ratings. In recent news, KGI Securities upgraded their rating on Intel to outperform on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. Telsey Advisory also upgraded their rating on Intel to buy on Thursday, November 16, 2023. Another notable upgrade came from Mizuho Securities, who gave Intel a buy rating on Wednesday, November 15, 2023. However, Bank of America Securities downgraded Intel to underperform with a hold action on Friday, October 27, 2023. In a similar vein, HSBC maintained a hold rating on Intel but with an upgrade action on Friday, October 27, 2023. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of buy. They highly recommend investing in Intel, with a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious perspective and give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a closer look at the signals for Intel stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support from the price levels at $43.03 and $40.69. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. The rising volume along with the price is considered a good technical signal. On the downside, some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 29, 2023, resulting in a decrease of -0.82% so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots show a sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 34 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 179 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $43.35. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. It's worth noting that Intel has average movements during the day, so the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock moved $1.39 between its high and low, which accounts for a 3.21% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.93%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Intel, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are experiencing losses. Established companies can go through rough periods due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now, let's turn our attention to the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023, which is expected to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.430. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $44.70. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the price to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is experiencing a downward trend, Intel faces its first support level at $43.35. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market and anticipate a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is a buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 3, 2023, Zinsner David conducted an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Shell Christoph also conducted an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Rivera Sandra L. made an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Holthouse Michelle Johnston participated in an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. And on the same day, Gall Scott conducted an insider buy of 1,596 shares of restricted stock units. Looking at the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.212. In total, insiders purchased 343,034 shares and sold 407,920 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $42.76, which represents a decrease of 4.06%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 10 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals indicating that Intel stock may be a good investment in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. However, it's important to note that our systems have identified the current price as overvalued, based on the volatility and movements in the market. Looking ahead to Thursday, December 14th, we anticipate Intel stock to open with a decrease of $0.363, starting trading at $44.21. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your opinion, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. Additionally, we're curious to know what your target for the stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.